Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset LG dishwasher without unplugging, quick button reset and control panel restart. So, the topic is how to reset LG dishwasher without unplugging. The answer is, to reset an LG dishwasher without unplugging, press and hold the reset and start button for 3 to 5 seconds until lights flash or it beeps. Then wait for it to drain and restart. This clears temporary glitches, stuck cycles and common error code like AE or LE by power cycling the electronics internally. Test by running a short rinse cycle afterward to confirm normal operation. So the question is, why reset an LG dishwasher? A reset gives the dishwasher a fresh start. It clears small glitches, refreshes the system and often saves time, stress and a service call. Sometimes the dishwasher is not actually broken, it's just confused. You may notice it won't start. Buttons don't respond, display is stuck. Cycles stop in between. So there are methods. Method first, quick button reset, fast and easy. Ensure the dishwasher door is fully closed and the unit is powered on. Press and hold the start or reset button, sometime labeled start reset or cancel drain, for 3 to 5 seconds. Look for light to flash, a beep or a display to clear this confirmation the reset is active. The unit may drain water automatically. It clears minor confusion in the system and lets the machine restart cleanly. Just like taking a deep breath and starting over, just as a human. So wait for 30 to 10 seconds for the panel to stop blinking and fully reset. Open and close the door, then press power to turn it back on and select a new cycle to test. Method second, control panel button reset. Keep the dishwasher on, press and hold two buttons together, power plus start or high temperature plus start. Hold for 5 seconds, release when the display reset. Wait for 1 minute, restart the dishwasher. When button freeze or don't listen, this reset gently wakes them up. It refreshes the control panel and helps it respond normally again. Third method, door reset, simple and safe. So, what to do? Turn the dishwasher on. Open the door fully, wait 30 to 60 seconds, close the door properly, press start. Sometimes the dishwasher just wants confirmation that everything is okay. Opening and closing the door reset its sensor and helps it continue without confusion. Fourth and last method, circuit breaker reset without unplugging. Switch off the dishwasher breaker, wait 5 minutes, switch the breaker on. Restart the dishwasher. This gives the dishwasher a complete mental reset. It clears deeper glitches and helps when nothing else seems to work. So when reset may not help, issue a reset cannot fix. Water leaking, drain not working, loud motor noise. Same error code returning again, knowing the limit of a reset saves frustration. If the issue come back, it's a sign the dishwasher needs professional care. Thank you and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.